Hello friends, today we will learn how to represent under root 3 on number line. Under root 3 on number line. For this, we take a number line like this. It is an imaginary number line with center as 0. This is distance 1, distance 2 on positive side, and this side is negative, like this. We take this point as O, the origin, 0 as origin. Take OA as 1 unit. Here, OA is unit 1. Then we draw AB perpendicular on OA. Perpendicular AB here, like this. AB is perpendicular on OA and its measure is also 1 unit. Here, this point is B and it is also total AB is 1 unit. OA is also 1 unit. AB is also 1 unit, and we join OB like this. So what we did? OA as 1 unit, then perpendicular AB as 1 unit, and join OB. Now we can see that triangle OAB is a right angle triangle. It is a right angle triangle with right angle at A, where we draw the perpendicular. And for a right angle triangle, we have the Pythagoras theorem. Means square of hypotenuse OB is equal to base square OA square plus perpendicular square AB square by the Pythagoras theorem. Here we apply Pythagoras theorem. So OB will be under root of these two. Square goes to right hand side, and OA value is 1 unit. AB value is also 1 unit that we have taken according to our choice. It is equal to under root 1 plus 1, that is under root 2. OB is under root 2. Now using compass, we take compass and center as O. We draw from here center O and taking radius OB, this much from here to B, and draw the arc like this on x-axis here. This arc will be representing this value OB, which is equal to under root 2 here. Means this point P corresponds to under root 2. Next comes under root 3. How we can draw that? From the same figure, we draw now a perpendicular on OB. This is OB, and we draw perpendicular here like this, and take it as this perpendicular as 1 unit. Again, this perpendicular is 1 unit. We call it as D. This point is D. Joining these O and D here. Now this triangle OBD, triangle OBD is what? Also right angle. Right angled. Therefore, again we use Pythagoras theorem. What Pythagoras theorem says? OD square, the hypotenuse, is equal to OB square plus BD square. OD square will give us OD as under root of OB. OB square is under root 2 square plus BD square. Here it is 1 unit. Total is 2 plus 1. Square root and square will give 2. It is under root 3. OD is under root 3. And now the number line representation of under root 3, it will be obtained by again taking O as center and OD as radius, like this. Now we make the arc from here, like this. This is the arc that will give the point Q as under root 3, this point. In this way, we can easily represent the under root 2 and under root 3 on given number line like this. So it is quite an easy topic. In our next topic, we will learn how to convert decimal numbers into rational numbers, fractions. Till then, you do the practice of finding the rational numbers in between given numbers, and then to represent given rational number into decimal numbers. Today's topic is also quite easy to represent under root 2 or under root 3 on the number line. And finally, we will do the fractional representation, or to represent the decimals into fractions P by Q form. Till then, subscribe our channel and press the bell button for the notifications of our latest videos. Take care and work hard. Bye bye.